Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd giving you today's rate update. It's Wednesday, December 4th, and yesterday was a pretty fun day. Trump early in the morning said that he doesn't think the China deal is going to go forward until after the 2020 election. So of course stocks started to drop and mortgage bonds rallied. They went up 40 basis points, which is huge. And then the treasuries went down about 13 basis points. So big day on rates. Rates dropped 1/8 or 1/4% in some places. But then towards the end of the day, that 40 basis point increase on the bonds actually turned into 20. It shifted. So at the very end of the day, some lenders came out and repriced, meaning they raised their rates again. But I locked in a couple people before the reprice came in for us, and today it's kind of flat. So let's look at what's going on here. Over here you see today it's only down 3 basis points after going up, end of the day going up 20. So you see in this candlestick, as they call it, it went up way high in mortgage bonds, higher than it has the last few weeks. So we're able to get some locks in at that point, came back down, and today we're kind of flat. So we're back in this little consolidated area here. So if you were in process and your mortgage professional didn't lock you at the right time yesterday, you missed out on 1/8% or close to it. More importantly is what's happening with the treasuries. So the treasuries had a huge drop as well. It came back up a little, and then today it's a little bit lower, but it's below these levels of resistance, which is good. So it could go lower. That means rates going lower. Just remember that yo-yo. Remember the kid on the escalator with a yo-yo. So here you can see rates went down since November. This lowest point here is the beginning of September. And ever since then, if we line up the bottoms, you can see that rates have an upward trend again. I posted this a couple weeks ago. This is the escalator going down. The kid with the yo-yo, every time it hits the bottom, that's where you want to be if you're in process and get locked. Then we had a big scare, went down, another big scare, now we're down again. So the trend is upward. That escalator is not going down anymore. The rates are not going down anymore. The fixed rate mortgages, the rates are going up. They're in an upward trend, but there's that yo-yo. So you got to catch the yo-yo at the bottom. The same way I caught it for a couple borrowers yesterday, a few borrowers back here. I caught more over here. So that's all. Phil Stevenson, Mortgage Nerd. That's our rate update. Keep watching. Hey, if you like what you see, forward, share, subscribe, bump that like button. Thank you.